हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बीएल शर्मा, मैथ्स हूं। Today I am taking up one activity for you for class 10th, that how to find out the SCF of two given numbers using means based on Euclid's division lemma or long division method. That is of experience in learning, or you can say art integrated learning, and very, very important for you, that is of 10th standard. So this is class 10th mathematics, chapter 1, that is real numbers, and the activity is art integrated or experiencing learning or lab manual activity. You can say this is activity number 1, and the objective of this activity is to find the SCF of two numbers experimentally based on Euclid's division lemma, means a long division method. Material required is some graph papers or square papers, scissors, rulers, sketch pens, some means glue, etc. And I'm taking here the example to find out the SCF of the two different numbers, that is 8 and 3. And here 8 is greater than 3. So here the question is, the activity is to find the SCF of the two different numbers, that is 8 and 3, through activity. How to find it out? So for that, what we do, first of all, we find out the SCF by long division method. For the long division method, what we do, that we already have taken the two numbers. These are means 8 and 3. So right here 3, then 8, 3 to the 6, and 3 to the 6, right here 6. And when you subtract, you get here 2. So this is 2. So when you divide 8 by 3, 3 to the 6, and the remainder is 2. Again, what we do? We divide 3 by 2. That is 2 1s are 2. But here it is 2. And thus we find that the remainder is 1. Again, we divide 2 by 1. So here we write 2. And 1 to the 2. And here you also put 2. Subtract these numbers. This is minus, and the remainder is 0. And we know that when the remainder is 0, then its divisor will be SCF. So हमें पता चल गया है long division method से that the SCF of 8 and 3, that is 1. इसी क्वेश्चन को, इसी का आंसर हम थ्रू एक्टिविटी फाइंड करने की कोशिश करते हैं. फॉर दैट व्हाट वी डू, वी हैव टेकन ए स्क्वायर्ड पेपर्स, मींस जितना भी ये बना है सारे स्क्वायर्ड पेपर है, इसकी स्ट्रिप्स स्क्वायर्ड पेपर की है. सो व्हाट वी डू फर्स्ट, we mark here as सारे को मैं मार्क करता हूं यहाँ पे. That is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5. This is 6. This is 7. और ये मैंने 8 strips means 8 unit का लिया. This is 1. Means this is 1 block, second block, then third, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. I have to take one strip of 8 unit. एक strip लेना है हमें 8 unit का. So for that, what we do? What we have to take here? Actually, see here. What is to be taken? See here. क्या लेना है हमें? One strip of 8 units. Then here you will see 3 to the 6, 2 strips of 3 units. So you can write 2 strips of 3 units. Then one strip, 2 ones are 2. So one strip of 1 strip of 2 unit. And then here you will see that we need 2 strips of 1 unit. So we can write here 2 strips of 1 unit. ये हमें लेने देखिए. और ये रहा आपके स्ट्रिप्स. 1 strips of 8 unit, 2 strips of 3 unit, 1 strip of 2 unit, and 2 strips of 1 unit. ये बना लेनी है. Then how to do it? See here. आप देखिए कैसे बनाएंगे. ये देखिए ये आपका लिया और आपने ये यहां से लेके 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. ये 1 strip of 8 यूनिट है. और इसको हम एक छोटा सा कलरिंग कर देते हैं. देखिए ये एक स्ट्रिप का 1 स्ट्रिप बनाई हमने 8 यूनिट. बट नाउ यू हैव टू डिवाइड दिस 1 स्ट्रिप ऑफ 2 स्ट्रिप्स ऑफ 3 यूनिट. ये 2 स्ट्रिप बनाएंगे. सो अगेन 2 स्ट्रिप्स ऑफ 3 यूनिट. देखिए 1 स्ट्रिप यहां पे पेस्ट किया. एंड सेकेंड यू कैन डू लाइक दिस. So these are 2 strips of 3 units, but still the remainder is 2 units. ये जो आपका है ये आपके पास रिमाइंडर है 2 units का. इसको भी कोई एक आप कलर कर दीजिएगा. You can color it. देखिए again you have to take 1 strip of 2 units. केवल आपको ये देखना है. The remainder will be, say here कैसे बनाया. You have to take 1 strip of 2 unit. यहां से डिवाइड करिएगा. इसको आप कलर कर दें. And when you color, you will find here that this is the 1 is the remainder. Then 2 strips of 1 unit आप बनाएंगे और इनको यहां पे आप कलरिंग करेंगे. देखिए ये इसके नीचे देखिए आपने देखिए 1 स्ट्रिप एंड दिस इज अदर 1 स्ट्रिप. 2 स्ट्रिप जैसे ही आप कवर करेंगे हमें पता है कि दिस विल बी फुली डिवाइडेड. नो रिमाइंडर इज लेफ्ट. इफ नो रिमाइंडर इज लेफ्ट इट मींस 1 इज द SCF of the given 2 numbers 8 and 3. See here again what we did. You color it like this. एक आपने ये कलर बनाया और एक 1 strip of 8 units and that is 2 strips. Give different color to it. आप इसको different color दीजिएगा. These are two strips of three units. यहां इनको पेस्ट कर दीजिएगा एंड देन नेक्स्ट वन स्ट्रिप ऑफ 2 यूनिट. देखिए ये आपका वन स्ट्रिप ऑफ 2 यूनिट है. देन नेक्स्ट गिव द डिफरेंट कलर टू इट and these are 2 units, 2 strips of 1 unit, and you will find that it divides completely, so the SCF is 1. Here we can write, say again, कैसे इसको आप चाहें तो हम इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे. Say here, that is 8 that is 8 units. Okay, that is 8 units. These are 2 strips of 3 units each, so right here that is of 3 units, and this is also 3 units. That is only one strip of 2 unit. So right here, that is 2 units. That is only one strip. But here, you will see that is these are 2 strips or each 1 unit. So we write here 1 unit. That is also 1 unit. Here we find that this is completely divisible. Therefore, again, we can write here. Here, this is a remainder. In this case, the remainder is, this is remainder. And this remainder is the remainder is 2. देखिए यहाँ पे 2 blocks हैं, तो यहाँ पे where you divide 8 by 3, 3 to the 6 and the remainder is 2, so remainder is 2 here. Here in second case, when you divide 3 by 2, this is remainder. And this remainder is, the remainder is 1. This remainder is 1. But when you divide 2 by 1, here this remainder is, the remainder is, the remainder is 0. This portion is the remainder, means here there is no remainder at all. Therefore, when there is no remainder, when you divide 2 by 1, so last divisor is 1. Last divisor here is 1. So the SCF of the 2 number, that is 8 and that is 8 and 3 is 1. We can write answer. Therefore SCF of 8 and 3 is equal to 1, and that is answer of this question. So by through activity, we have got the SCF of the two number, that is 8 and 3, through activity. Or you can say through experiencing learning, or you can say through art integrated. So that's all for this activity. I think now this is very much clear to you. So, students, thank you.